In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this shattered look for any materials. Let's create a sphere. Ctrl 3 to subdivide, and right-click to shade smooth. I'm using Eevee, but we can also use cycles. Let's create a new material. We need to click a new button. Here it is. I'll use UV Grid, and drag it to the node editor like this. Select the UV Grid node, and press Ctrl T, to add mapping and coordinate nodes. To use the Ctrl T shortcut, we need to activate an add-on called Node Wrangler. I'll add Mix RGB and Voronoi nodes. Here are the full nodes. This set of nodes creates a shattered effect illusion. We can fully customize the shattered pattern as well. Please remember to experiment by trying other texture node types. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.